I think people gain a tremendous amount of wisdom when they travel, when they wander. Traveling forces you to be social. You have to get directions. You have to learn where things are. You're attuned to your environment. You have to be more careful about the weather and where your lodging is going to be, where you're going to eat, how you're going to get from one place to another. When you're there, what is it you want to see? How can you find a place for you to actually just rest? Get used to that freedom. Get used to having the need to self-govern yourself, to be able to employ self-discipline or not.